In this video, I will show you how to join the Roblox Combat Warriors Discord server. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I'm here on my desktop. I've got the Discord app opened. If you do use the web-based version of Discord, that's absolutely fine. The steps are the same. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come to your server list on the left-hand side. And what you want to do is just scroll down until you get to the plus button down here, which says to add a server. Go ahead and give that a click, and that's going to bring up a new window. From here, if you look down towards the bottom, it says have an invite already, and what you want to do is click join a server underneath. And in the invite link box, you want to put the following, which is discord.gg/, and then ECHRZ. Then you want to put a capital M. Then you want to put in lowercase UYAG. So just make sure you enter that correctly, as you can see here. So you want to put this all in lowercase, apart from the M, which is capitals. Once that's done, click the blue join server button down here. And after a minute, you'll see that's going to take you directly to the server. It says welcome to Combat Warriors. So now all you need to do is just verify your account. So you can do that with BlockSync. If you don't have BlockSync set up, check out my channel because I do have a tutorial on how to do this. But what you want to do is click the green verify with BlockSync button, and once you've done that, you can come across and access all the other channels. That's going to unlock the server fully, so you can go ahead and post as normal. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.